So hey everyone, in this video we are going to see how to connect Netgear Wi-Fi extender to Spectrum router, WPS settings and manual pairing. So how to connect Netgear Wi-Fi extender to Spectrum router. To connect your Netgear Wi-Fi extender to a Spectrum router, you can use one of the two main methods. Choose scenario 1 if you want the quickest setup and your router has a physical button. Choose scenario 2 if your router does not have a button or if its first method fails. So scenario 1 is using the WPS button. This method takes less than 5 minutes and does not require a computer or phone. Plug in the extender. Place the Netgear extender into an electrical outlet in the same room as the Spectrum router. Wait for power. Watch the power LED light. Wait until it turns solid, usually green or white. Press extender WPS. Press the physical WPS button on the side or front of the Netgear extender. The WPS LED should start blinking. Press router WPS. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your Spectrum router. Note, on some Spectrum Advanced Home Wi-Fi router, the WPS button is so small button on the back, or it is the main status button on the front. So verify the link. Wait about 1 or 2 minutes. The router link LED on the extender will turn solid green or blue, showing a successful connection. Relocate the extender. Unplug the extender. Move it to an outlet roughly halfway between your Spectrum router and the area within a weak Wi-Fi signal. Scenario 2 is using a web browser. Use this method if your Spectrum router does not have a WPS button or if the light refuses to connect. Plug in and boot up. Plug the extender into an outlet, choose your router, wait for the power LED to become solid. Connect to the setup network. Open the Wi-Fi setting on your smartphone, tablet or laptop. Look for and connect to the temporary network named Netgear EXD. Launch the setup wizard. Once connected, open a standard web browser like Chrome, Safari or Edge. A setup screen should automatically pop up. If it does not pop up, type mywifi.ext.net or 192.168.1.250 directly into the browser's top address bar and press enter. Create an account, click on new extender setup and create a local admin username and password to secure your extender setting. Select your Spectrum network. The wizard will scan for nearby network. Select your main Spectrum Wi-Fi network name from the list. Enter your password. Type in your current Spectrum Wi-Fi password and click next. Finalize and move. Follow the final on-screen prompt to finish. You can now unplug the extender and move it to a permanent location halfway across your house. Critical placement tips for best performance. The halfway rule. Place the extender halfway between the router and your dead zone. If you put it directly inside the dead zone, it cannot catch a strong signal to repeat. Clear obstacle. Keep the extender out in the open. Avoid placing it behind large metal object inside TV cabinet or right next to microwave and cordless phones, which cause heavy interface. Thank you.